Hey guys, and welcome to this first tutorial in Python scripting. Um, well, a scripting language, let's start off by basically just talking a little bit what a scripting language is and why we might want to use it. But a scripting language is something, it's not compiled into machine code. So in other words, it allows it to be a little bit more portable. It's not directly converted into ones and zeros. Um, Furthermore, a scripting language, they're handy because, well, sometimes if you're making a lot of changes to your code, for example, and you need to go ahead and modify it over and over again, it's a lot faster to type out or write out a script, and instead of having to compile it each time, every time you need to make a change, you just use something called an interpreter, also referred to as sometimes referred to as a virtual machine, the application that interprets the code, since it's not ones and zeros. But yeah, it's faster because you don't have to go through the process of compiling it every time, which takes longer than interpretation. But anyhow, they're also commonly used. Scripting languages are to to automate functionality within a particular program. Some programs, uh, say Blender, I believe, comes with Python. Um, it automates some of the processes or things that you would do in there commonly, so you can just run a script and have those things automated. Today, we're going to be talking about Python 3 as opposed to Python 2. I know Python 2 has been around for a long time. 3 came out in 2008, December 3rd. It's newer. They're not actively working on 2 anymore like they are 3. But some issues with 3 would be that it's not completely backwards compatible. So if you try to take your Python 2 code, which is still pretty common today, and try to run it in a Python 3 interpreter, or also called virtual machine, right? It might not work because the syntax is a little bit different and some things have changed. So if you check out the website, or you check out my website, The Confused Cow, I've got a link on there showing the differences between 2 and 3. But anyhow, let's go ahead and install this guy here. So, okay. Yeah. So, okay, what we got here is the Google screen. It's a website. Yep. But anyways, type in Python. And the first thing that comes up, it looks like, is the official website, so that's good. Just click on it. Here we have the official website for Python, www.python.org. I think I'll also put a link for that on my webpage, I suppose. But click download, and then under download, as you can see, they still have available for download version 2, 2.7 it looks like here. We're going to be using 3, and the latest version is 3.2 right now. So I'm going to be using the 64-bit edition for Windows because I like Windows and my system's 64-bit. But anyways, you can download whichever version you need, but most computers these days, I suppose, are probably 64-bit. So I would just click on this here, but since it's already installed, I'm just going to click cancel instead of run. But yeah, you would just go through the run process after you download the executable and walk through the steps by basically clicking next a whole bunch of times. Then you get your GUI installed for creating your Python scripts, and that's when you have this guy, which is also referred to as idle. So this guy here is where we're going to be typing in our commands and running our Python code. But this pretty much ends the first introductory tutorial to Python and what's to come, I guess. So anyhow, this is Python. Install it, like it. It's awesome. I think this is pretty much it. So, alright, well, take it easy, and I'll see you in tutorial 2.